In the rain-soaked city, a lone explorer steps into the abandoned electric factory where memories hum softly. Guided by flickering lights, they map forgotten corridors as rusted gears tell stories of workers who vanished with dawn. A sealed stairwell opens to a rooftop grove, where a stubborn vine clings to a broken clock, counting lost hours. The explorer records reflections in a rusted mirror, discovering that the building remembers more than steel and stone. When dawn spills over the skyline, the city seems to exhale as the quiet archive finally reveals its truth through patient, steady steps.